Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Gardner, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is quick, efficient, and trustworthy. We're here to take the complete control of your move, no matter how far you're going or how short the time frame is for your relocation. We have the proper moving equipment, personnel, and work ethic to get the job done in the shortest time in the best way possible. For long distance relocations, there are specific state and federal regulations and oversight organizations in place. 3 Movers has tight relationships with these government agencies. We have complete paperwork with the necessary permits to transport things across great distances. Your fragile and confidential items are in good hands with us. Our movers are meticulous in sorting and loading your items, and our moving vehicles are large enough to accommodate and safeguard your valuables during the moving process. Local relocations are those that take place within 50 miles of your existing residence. 3 Movers also provides the best services for moving anywhere within Gardner. As soon as you call us, we'll dispatch a team to your location as quickly as possible to get started. We're all acquainted with all the routes in the city, so we can tell you which route is the most efficient. Aside from that, our services are reasonably priced. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour for our services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Gardner moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.